One place where I really enjoy going to learn something is the local public library. I first discovered this place a few years ago when I moved to my current neighborhood. A friend of mine suggested I check it out, and I was immediately impressed by the vast range of resources available. The library attracts a diverse group of people. Students frequent it to study and complete their assignments, while professionals come to access reference materials and work on their projects. There are also a number of hobbyists and enthusiasts who visit to delve into their interests, whether it's cooking, gardening, or a new language. The library offers workshops and talks on various topics, so people of all ages can gain new skills or expand their knowledge in areas they are passionate about. I particularly like going to the library because it's a serene and focused environment, which helps me concentrate and absorb information more effectively. Additionally, the library's vast collection of books and digital resources means that I can find information on almost any subject. Plus, it's a place where I can enjoy the quiet and immerse myself in learning without distractions. Moreover, the library's dedication to fostering a love of learning extends beyond just books and resources. It frequently hosts events such as author readings, book clubs, and educational seminars that engage the community in meaningful ways. This vibrant and dynamic environment not only enriches my learning experience, but also makes each visit feel both rewarding and inspiring.